Well, good morning. Welcome back. Breakfast with the old dude. It's about 5:30, I think, 6 o'clock, something like that. I'm hungry. It was a long day of the inauguration yesterday. My CapCut, my video editing service that I had been using, I didn't not even know this. It was part of TikTok. So when TikTok went down Saturday afternoon or Sunday, so did my videos. I mean, I couldn't edit them. They were just sitting there. So I decided I'd get up and make me some breakfast this morning and try out. It's back on. Thank goodness. I woke up this morning at 3:30 and looked at it and it showed it was back on. So I thought, okay, well, I'm going to cook me a good country board breakfast. I'll bring y'all back along and make sure it's all working right. Don't have any of my lights set up. Yeah, my fancy light, my shop light. There should be another one over here, so I'm kind of in the shade. You'll have to forgive me. So let's look at these eggs and see how they're doing. And when I put the cover over and I put a few drops of water, look what happens. Talking about pretty eggs now. Those are pretty. And get those on the plate. I've got my sausage. I didn't want it cooking anymore. You notice I scooted my skillet off the burner a little bit so it's on a warmer side. You know, play that skillet like a piano. All those look good. Got to love using the cast iron. Lots of memories from my mom cooking on that and my mom's old spatula. All right. Let's see what else we've got here. Oh yeah. Forgot I had some pancakes that I made the other day. And hot cakes, flapjacks, whatever you want to call them. They've been in the fridge. Yeah, they're hot, but I can get them out pretty quick. So I'm putting those babies out. My breakfast, fresh sliced tomatoes. I like them kind of thin sliced. 3 eggs, perfectly cooked. A couple of leftover pancakes, hot cakes, flapjacks, whatever you want to call them. And some sausage, yeah. It's a spicy sausage. So how about getting a bite? Get these, a little salt put on these. I love this fresh ground pink salt, the big crystals. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot to put salt in we gotta redo that. I gotta have salt on my maters for sure. So anyway, there it is, that's better. I'm glad the inauguration is over. How about a little butter? Yeah, real butter. These are not going to be eaten like pancakes as such, more like just a piece of bread. How about let's get in a bite of this? What would be the bite? I almost want to go in for the bite. Get a little bit of everything. Cooked all the way through. And here comes the bite, baby. And here comes the bite. Bon appetit. Ain't nothing finer. My goodness, that's good. Got to get you some of that. Like I say, cook those eggs. Put you a little bit of water in your lid, or in a little teaspoon. Drop it in there. It creates steam. Put the lid over it, and that'll cook those eggs on top of that. I had those eggs cooking on low. So let me show you how I'm going to eat this. These flapjacks here. Yeah, grandma's molasses. Like I say, slow as molasses. Nothing crazy, just a little flavor. Molasses is excellent. Has some health benefits for you. It's just not flavored syrup or flavored water. Bonus footage. Yeah, molasses ain't just for hotcakes or biscuits. It's perfect on your sausage or bacon. Add that extra zing. Let's get about a flapjack. There's sure some good eating there. I was raised on molasses. I think we had Burr Rabbit or something. I can't remember the brand. It's great on toast, biscuits. I put molasses in cake mixtures. It's a great sweetener. So anyway, thank y'all for being back here with me. I hope you're doing okay this week. We're cold, and this is early Tuesday morning, day after the big celebration in Washington yesterday. We've got a few snow flurries around Dallas today. A few snow flurries, get that out right. But down south of us, Houston, Beaumont, east of Houston, over into New Orleans, they're expecting, I think somebody said, a couple of inches of snow all the way through the Florida, along the coast there. But that's unheard of. I talked to my old uncle yesterday, my Mississippi mud farmer, and of course, you know, I always say he lives in L.A., Lower Alabama. And he said he was getting ready for it. They hadn't lived down there for just a year or so, and it ain't never snowed there yet. But he said they were talking about it, flurries and bad weather down there. So prayers for everybody if you're in the way of this cold winter storm. And it'll have faith it'll be over soon, and we'll come out the other side. And I'll just see y'all back on another Old Dude production. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for being here for my videos. Come on back to the Old Dude Bar and Grill, open 24/7.